We met less than 48 hours ago.
Little secret.
Take a bite of it.
I'm getting a rash.
Am I in a pool?
How do you feel?
Getting tipsy.
I got stung. Every day's a holiday.
I have a little secret. Siera's losing her virginity right now.
With the colectivo. I've never been on the colectivo here.
First impression, you like?
It's like very nice and breezy. I feel very safe and secure.
I like it. Very dry as well.
Hair's wet from the beach. This is perfect.
This is our girl. Colectivo with a view. This amazing service has cost us 12 pesos.
Gracias. Buenos dias. We're going to Trevor's house.
Nice man.
I'm so excited.
It's Earth Day today, right?
No, Earth Day's tomorrow. No, it's not. It's on Saturday.
Earth Day is this week. Just doing some good. We'll pick up some mangoes so they don't go to waste. Breakfast is sorted.
Is this not the most perfect mango?
You just like take a bite of it.
You'll be fine though.
No, yeah,
It's
it's good for your immune
And
system.
I do it with the skin.
Yeah. Eat mango skin. It's good.
This is me a day later. Do not eat the mango with the skin on. You will get a rash. Oh my god, wait. It's delicious.
Straight from the ground. This is nature's gift.
Try.
Yum. This is like a sea of mangoes falling from the trees.
A mango jungle.
Yeah, it is like a mango jungle. Anyone wanted to know where mangoes grow? This is it.
Have more. Wow.
So good. Good in my mouth. So good. So cute. Julia. She's dying from the mango. She's literally
actually
crying.
crying,
She's
yeah.
actually, oh my god. This is a papaya growing on a tree.
There's a courgette.
Courgettes don't grow like this. What's your favorite fruit? Mangoes and dragon fruit, but like red dragon fruit from like Indonesia. Because they're so sweet and like, oh, it's your favorite fruit in the whole wide world.
I've got two favourite fruits. Watermelon and a nectarine. A watermelon is the best.
What do you think this is?
What are those caterpillars? Like a monster?
Some kind of fruit. Is it guava? I don't know. Using electrolyte. It's water. Agua.
Oh wait,
Wait, we're so in sync.
Are we the same person? Guys, also, do you want to know a fun fact? We met less than 48 hours ago.
And now here we are.
Picking the mangoes from the floor.
Bonded for life now, I think.
Yeah.
Actually,
Don't go over there.
Okay, we are on the right path.
La casa es ahí. A quick update. We have just arrived at Casa Las Nubes. I feel like I'm getting a rash from the mango or something that was on the mango. We'll see.
Trevor!
How did I get here? Like, why am I in a pool right now? Welcome to Puerto Cribs. Let's go for a house tour. Here we got my morning bike, my grocery running bike, my afternoon sunset cruising bike, and all the fun things. Take you here. This is a very special spot. We put a lot of bodies into this thing. Hundreds of bodies have been into this magical device, cold plunge. Come inside, let's go. Here's our kitchen. I cook like no tomorrow. One of my favorite desserts, air fryer, and it's fantastic. We eat super healthy, organic, grass-fed, grass-finished meats, no hormones, no vaccines. We have a local supplier. We do a lot of community experiences here in the house. A lot of fun life here in Puerto Escondido. Wait till you see the view. We'll show you that later. It's just a fun living area. We play games here. We hang out. You know, we do things. I don't know. We just do a lot. Obviously, pool. We never actually use the pool. Like, literally nobody ever uses the pool. Guests use the pool. My mom likes using the pool. Anyone's welcome to use the pool. You want to come over? Come use the pool. This is the ground floor. This is floor number 1. 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Whoa, this is my room. The master suite. Top floor. This is magic spot. Look at this view. Definitely the best view in all of Puerto. We do a lot of events here. Sometimes I work up here. Sometimes I just hang out in a hammock. Sometimes
Give me 20, Trevor.
Dude, I'm already so tired. Like running up and down the stairs so many times. Holy crap. What are they doing behind me? Oh, there's a fucking bird. We can even see whales here. It's whale season. How I do my work. I usually jam to some music as I code it out, make that money. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Code in with the Claude. We host a lot of events here, like a wellness Saturday event, Sunday parties, always with no alcohol. Also, we've done medicine experiences, done sound journeys, pop-up workshops, all the stuff here in this space. Yeah. Take you quickly to my room. No magic really happens in it, but sometimes. I work here, I have this extra bed. Sometimes I like to sleep in this extra bed. I don't know why. Like, this is a bigger closet than anybody. Yeah, sometimes I have some contemplations. But let me show you. This is my favorite window of the entire house. It's this window. You get the sunrise up there, morning sun. You can just like sit here. That's Casa Las Nubes, and follow us at sacredjourneys.cl. See ya on the other side. Thank you. Berchella, that's where we are.
So much. Ice bath, hallelujah.
What's going on there?
Good job.
Yeah, no, this is, you have to do this.
How do you feel? Oh,
You did so good. Vincent's losing his virginity.
oh my God, his virginity.
Guess to
It's happening.
To who? To who?
What?
to an ice bath.
Woo! Breathe.
Oh my.
Everybody in the bar getting tipsy.
Okay. Whoa, you make it look so easy.
No, it's not easy.
How do you feel?
Out.
Look back and boss a kiss. Get aired.
I actually could like kill myself right now. That was so hurtful.
Do you want a hug? Do you want some tissues? Vincent, you've made yet another girl cry. We need to do Puerto Tea part 2.
You made another enemy.
Yep, guys, if you want to watch Puerto Tea, watch this vlog here.
We just finished doing our ice bath at Trevor's house, and she filmed a really cool MTV video for Trevor.
Guys, I have a new series idea.
No, it's gonna be so good. You guys are just gonna have to wait and see.
Puerto Cribs.
This video is gonna be insane. You guys are gonna see it on Instagram and on YouTube. We just stopped for coffee.
Amplitude.
On our way to boxing.
Beautiful.
She's stunning. Gracias. It's perfect. Wow.
Italian
You're
barista.
Italian. Do you follow World Cup? Did you see the game? Italy lost
Football
to
talks.
Italy lost to Bosnia, so they didn't qualify for World Cup. Heartbreaking for Italy.
But maybe Argentina. 50-50. I mean, Poland, England. You know, Canada, Croatia, Poland.
Nice to meet you. Cheers.
Oh, mine's good.
nice.
Really good
Yeah.
coffee. What's your name?
My name is Lucas.
Muchas gracias.
You're welcome.
Thank you. See you guys at boxing. We are running super late. Class has clearly already started. How do we go in? I think. Oh, this is super pretty. Hola. We are 15 minutes late. I'm losing my virginity today
Oh my god.
to a boxing class.
Ready?
Yeah. Half an hour in.
I'm sweating and dying, and the only water I have is fucking Americano. So
Harder than I thought, but it's good.
you're doing great though. She's doing it.
Thanks, Mom.
Boom. Just feel like you're moving. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Get your shoulder. Boom.
Yes, Julia.
How you feeling?
Really good. Tired. We didn't eat today, and then we worked out.
Skinny legends right now. Starving, sweating.
Trigger warning. Just busy day.
We just love to eat. Don't worry, okay?
Boxed out, shredded out.
I got stung for the first time in my life to a bee. Oh my god, no, that's actually so bad. It hurts so bad, but I killed the bee though, so I got vengeance, and I'm happy for that.
Wait, happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day. Thank you, Mother Earth, for that.
We're running to meet Gabi for sunset, as if we didn't get enough workout today. La Punta Beach. How was the sunset?
Cute. It was crazy though. You know when you talk about someone and then they're like right behind you? It was crazy. Nice things. It was just like fun tea, you know? And then they were there. It was beautiful, the sunset.
We are now having dinner at our lovely Deffo, our favourite place here. If you want like the most authentic, cheap but delicious Mexican food. Speaking tingas, we're speaking birria tacos, speaking tacos al pastor. All the good things. This is your spot. It's in La Punta. Oh, should we maybe not tell them? No, it's in La Punta.
We don't gatekeep here. We tell them exactly where it is.
Yes.
Punta, like literally the main street.
Yum. Getting ice cream! Dessert time. Every day's a holiday. Every day is a holiday.
Again, every single time. But our friend Emiliano is not in there, so we're kind of
Our
heartbroken.
friend isn't here. This is Emiliano. He's featuring in a music video. Oh, the AC is insane. Wow. And then you can surfboard. Cheers! What ice cream did you get?
Like Dubai chocolates, like pistachio and dark chocolate, and then pistachio ice cream on the inside.
Nice.
So good.
And I got nuez, hazelnut, and white chocolate. I haven't tried this one. Pistachio's insane, so taste test.
How was it?
Walnut. It's good, however, I wouldn't get it again. I'd get this one for sure.
Nice.
Nice.
It's like salty on the outside.
I rate this a 6.